Thank you for joining us for the Apple MacBook Pro 16 with the M5 Max. This teardown video is part of the TechInsights teardown video series. First, thank you for joining us today. As a reminder, you can register for free on the TechInsights platform to follow along with this teardown and access additional free content, including other videos, insights, and reports from the TechInsights experts and market analysts. In this video, we are tearing down the Apple MacBook Pro with the new Apple M5 Max processor with the 32-core GPU. The laptop has 36 gigabytes of unified memory. Having 36 gigabytes of RAM is a non-standard configuration and is due to Apple's Fusion architecture, where the M5 Max consists of 2 dies. In the 32-core GPU configuration, each die has access to 18 gigabytes of unified memory, which gives us a total of 36 gigabytes of RAM. Inside, the MacBook Pro 16 looks so similar to the 2024 MacBook Pro 16 with the M4 processor. For example, even the shape of the heat pipe between the two fans is the same as the 2024 MacBook Pro 16. The new MacBook Pro 16 has a 6-cell battery pack. The MacBook Pro keyboard uses a scissor switch design along with Apple's additional rubber dome. The dome, when pressed, stores potential energy to provide a more responsive key press. The main enclosure parts are all made of aluminum. As we wrap up this video today, we want to thank you for joining us. We've already mentioned there are deeper analysis already ongoing for the new Apple M5 Pro and M5 Max chips. We will have a completed deep dive teardown on this MacBook Pro model, as well as other Apple laptops, including the popular MacBook Neo laptop. You can follow along with all of the teardown reports by simply clicking the follow button on the device report page.